Hello, everyone. This is Prakhar. I've been working with Bish for, I think, 6 years now, straight, and different portfolios and different things that I've been doing with Bish, starting from I was hired as a design engineer at Bish, doing all the designing, making sure that all the displays that are going out are actually done with several stress and strain analysis, making sure that the products have the longest life that they could possibly have, and the materials that are being used are up to the mark. I joined in as a design engineer with bachelor's in mechanical engineering and my master's in robotics and design from the University of Texas. I'm located right now in India and look after the different manufacturing and logistics for Bish out of India. So we've been manufacturing different projects, different displays for Bish for quite a while out of India, and I head those things of how in sorts of it is being manufactured and making sure that in terms of logistics, it's not only easy to handle, but also the quickest possible and pocket friendly for all our customers. We currently, Bish has two manufacturing facilities here in India. One is located out in New Delhi, whereas the second one is in Mumbai. And both the facilities are CDEX audited. These facilities make sure that all the raw material across India is actually procured and transferred to the best means possible. There's a separate MIS system that's in place, making sure that the raw material is delivered to us in time and with the highest quality standards. Making sure, like talking of quality, we instill a lot of different practices to make sure that actually the quality is up to the mark and meeting international standards across the globe. There are certain things you would have heard of, like Kokayoke or Kaizen. That's what we follow here, so that every time the things that are going out are up to the quality standards and are the best that are there anywhere in the world. And of course, there's a separate quality team that's in place, making sure that each and every product is not only audited and checked when it's about to ship, but also during the process. There are surprise checks, there are in-process checks, so that at every point, we make sure that the products are in best in class and delivered to our thankful customers across the countries. Now, if that is about the production, if we talk about the shipping and why Bish actually selected India to be one of the hubs for manufacturing out of so many options, India has so many positives that are pretty well known to everyone. But some major points that we actually made sure were the positives in our favor was one, the language. In India, there is no trouble when you want to speak, when you want to converse, when you want to write. English is pretty much the secondary language, which makes it easier for Bish as well as our customers to actually get directly in contact and ask any questions, have any queries. They can always get in touch with me or Bish, and we're always out there to help you out. Secondly, India is pretty much at the dead center of the world. So it just makes it easier to ship it out to be it UAE or Africa or Europe or America. It's just because it being a peninsula, it gives Bish an advantage that we can ship out the projects pretty quickly and cost effectively. And that's why one of our facilities is actually located in Mumbai, which is pretty much at the coast of the country, to make sure that it's actually the turnaround period is the least possible. Anything and everything that we're doing here, we make sure that every step, me personally, is in touch with the customer if they have any updates, any questions or concerns. And of course, the cost benefits and the time benefits that India offers are for everyone to see and for everyone to reap benefits of.